this isn't fair!
New face of the WWE and the man who will face John Cena at Extreme Rules and bring legitimacy back to the WWE, Brock Lesnar!
Well, Brock Lesnar indeed has all the credentials. He was an NCAA heavyweight champion. He was a King of the Ring winner, a Royal Rumble winner, and a 3-time WWE champion. And then he went on to conquer UFC, where he became the UFC heavyweight champion, and now Lesnar is back.
Lesnar is back, and the signs in the crowd say it all. Here comes the pain. And if you don't believe that, just ask John Cena.
First and foremost, I'd like to thank you, Mr. Laurinaitis. I'd like to thank Mr. John Laurinaitis for having the wisdom to bring legitimacy back to the WWE.
This week it is John Cena doing the interrupting.
And I don't know if this is a good idea to interrupt Brock Lesnar.
With the assistance of Finn Balor. Stone Cold. Believe it. He's got Kane up on his session. Through the table. Here's the cover. There's no way out. No way out through Big E, gentlemen. Roman Reigns is able to counter. And now Reigns with a drop through the table. Big Show through the table. Oh, no, through the splash through the table. Through the table. Oh, no. Oh, my God. Through the table by Wyatt. Watch out. Watch out. Willing to destroy herself, to destroy Gonzalez! Raising it. Michaels is helpless, he's defenseless, and Undertaker choke slam through the announce table. Man, Randy Orton high above the ring, AA through the table, AA through the table. You gotta be kidding me! No, don't do this! That's superplex! To the NXT! Seth Rollins, power by John Cena going right after Brock Lesnar early, and Cena wrestling Lesnar to the ground, and this is going to be a fight, and Brock Lesnar quickly pounding away on Cena, Cena back to his feet. Whoa. There will not be a dull moment in this match. Cena realizes he's got to be on the offensive. Lesnar's got him up on his shoulders. Lesnar's got him up. Oh my God! He got it now! And Seth Rollins, powerbomb to minute.
No, this isn't fair!
In this match, Cena realizes he's got to be on the offensive. Lesnar's got him up on his shoulders. Lesnar's got him up. Oh my God! Cena powers out. Oh my word! sadistic animal.
Don't do this.
No, Calvin with a cannonball through the table.
Candy corn.
Kevin Owens, shot through the table. Covers.
Daniel Bryan, look out! Randy Orton
Through the table. And now
This is where it gets dangerous for John Cena.
How long did we hear Paul Heyman say that the Beast would conquer John Cena?
Randy Orton
through the table. But it's not a
from the outside.
No way!
He thinks Brady's confused. And that may have cost him right there. Corbin putting.
Signaling the end is near.
Oh my God!
Reigns with a spear.
Another trio did this, but not the trio of Corbin, McIntyre, and Lashley. The table of Corbin, McIntyre, and Lashley. Two tables.
Handled like Braun Strowman's doing right now.
Lesnar through the table. A running power.
Oh my God. They're outside the ring. All the way to the top turnbuckle. Kevin Owens.
Lesnar with the cover. Lesnar has won the WWE World Title in convincing fashion.
Your time is up, my time is now. You can't see me, my time is now. It's the franchise where I'm shining now. You can't see me, my time is now. In case you forgot or fell off, I'm still hot, knock your shell off. My money stacked fat, plus I can't turn the swell off. The franchise doing big business, I live this, it's automatic. I win this, so you hear those horns, you finish. A soldier, and I stay under you fighting. Plus I'm storming on you chumps like I'm thunder and lightning. Ain't no way you breaking me, kid, I'm harder than nails. Plus I keep it on lock like I'm part of the jail. I'm slaughtering stale competition. I got the whole block wishing they could run with my division, but they gone fishing with no bait. Kid, your boy hold weight. I got my soul straight. I brush your mouth like Colgate. In any weather, I'm never better. Your boy's so hot, you never catch me in the next man's sweater. If they hate, let them hate.
Guys, ভিডিওটি আজি কেনে লাগিল আজি চাই পিনি আপোনালোকক এই খেলৰ আনন্দ পাব বুলি মই খেলটো আৰম্ভ কৰিছিলোঁ। মই ফাৰ্ষ্টত জিকিছোঁ WWE চেম্পিয়নত। এয়া পুৰা জিকিলোঁ।
It's gonna be what it's gonna be. 5 pounds of courage, bloody base, 10 pants with a gold tee. It's a war dance, a victory step. A boss stance is a gift. You insist it's my rap. John Cena trademark. Y'all are so and talk about the bread you make. I don't know the recipe for dough though. Aiming guns and all your photos.